Hey, good morning, Taylor. How are you today?
Good morning, Chris. I am doing well, thanks. How about you?
I am good. I am just going through emails and trying to plan out the day.
Same here. Mondays always feel busy.
Did you do anything fun over the weekend?
Yes, I went to the park with my family. The weather was perfect.
That sounds great. I love spending time outside when the weather is nice.
Are you ready for the team meeting today?
Almost. I just need to finish reviewing the report.
Sounds good. See you in the meeting.